keeping your floors clean can feel like a constant battle against dust bunnies, crumbs, and pet hair. Robot vacuums offer a tempting solution, promising to take on the cleaning burden while you relax or tackle other tasks. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop aims to be your cleaning partner in crime, offering a budget-conscious option with features designed for both hard floors and carpets. This in-depth review dives into the functionalities, performance, and potential drawbacks of the robot vacuum and mop to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop goes beyond simply vacuuming. It offers a 2-in-1 cleaning solution. Equipped with an electronically controlled water pump and 3 adjustable water output levels, the robot vacuum and mop allows you to vacuum and mop simultaneously. This can save you time and effort compared to using separate appliances for each task. The adjustable water output allows you to customize the mopping performance based on your needs, ensuring optimal cleaning for different floor types. Random cleaning patterns can leave areas untouched. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop utilizes gyroscope smart navigation, employing a strategic zigzag cleaning path. This method ensures the robot vacuum and mop covers your floors more comprehensively compared to robot vacuums that rely on random movement patterns. Tikom claims this smart navigation system improves cleaning efficiency by 30%, potentially reducing cleaning time and ensuring a more thorough cleaning. With a 2,700 pascal suction power, the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop boasts the ability to tackle dirt, dust, and debris effectively on hard floors. This suction power is suitable for most everyday cleaning tasks on surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. Additionally, the robot vacuum and mop features a carpet boost function. When the robot detects it's on the carpet, it automatically increases suction power by 3 times to provide deeper cleaning for those areas with potentially more trapped dirt and pet hair. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop caters to diverse user preferences by offering multiple control options. You can utilize a smartphone app to control the robot, schedule cleaning sessions, and even choose from 5 cleaning modes. These modes include Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean, allowing you to customize the cleaning process based on your specific needs. For those who prefer voice control, the robot vacuum and mop works with Alexa and Google Home, providing hands-free control over cleaning operations. And for those who favor a traditional approach, a remote control is also included. Additional features to enhance performance. Self-charging. The robot vacuum and mop automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery runs low, ensuring it's always ready for your next cleaning session. This eliminates the need to manually monitor battery levels and find the charging station. Boundary strips. The robot vacuum and mop comes with boundary strips that can be used to create virtual no-go zones. This functionality helps keep the robot away from areas with delicate items or electrical cords. Considering the Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop. Budget-conscious shoppers looking for a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop solution. Individuals with hard floors and low-pile carpets seek a robot vacuum with efficient navigation and strong suction power. Users who value multiple control options, including smartphone apps, voice control, and remote control. Who might want to look elsewhere? Those with high-pile carpets. While the robot vacuum and mop boasts a carpet boost function, its suction power might not be sufficient for deep cleaning heavily textured or high-pile carpets. Users who desire advanced features like multi-floor mapping or object avoidance sensors. Individuals seeking a quieter robot vacuum. While noise levels aren't explicitly mentioned in most product descriptions, some user reviews suggest the robot vacuum and mop might be on the louder side compared to some high-end models. The verdict: a budget-friendly option for basic cleaning needs. The Tikom Robot Vacuum and Mop emerges as a strong contender in the budget-friendly robot vacuum and mop market. Its 2-in-1 functionality, efficient navigation system, and strong suction power for hard floors make it a compelling option for basic cleaning needs. The multiple control options and self-charging function add to its user-friendliness. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of high-end models, the robot vacuum and mop offers a good balance between affordability and performance for those seeking a reliable and convenient way to maintain clean floors. By carefully considering these additional factors alongside the features and drawbacks discussed in this review, you can make an informed decision on whether the Tikom robot vacuum and mop is the perfect fit for your cleaning needs and budget. Happy cleaning! Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.